In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, the story of a single mom's strength and her son's triumph over renal failure to ace his CSEC exams. Ramada Lyons reports.
Ray of
Carl Blake, a 17-year-old Wilmot High School student, has been battling renal failure since age 1. He undergoes dialysis treatment at least 30 hours a week. Despite this, he remains determined and is now heading to sixth form after achieving 8 CSEC passes, including 7 straight A profiles.
When I first started the hemodialysis, I got a very bad infection that put me out of commission for a few weeks. It was a lot of pain, a lot of antibiotics. And at that point, I think it was around the Christmas term exam. They were preparing for end of term exams. And while I was in the hospital at that time, in pain, I had to still be studying with it.
At first, Carl's mother believed his condition was minor. But over time, doctors cautioned she might lose him.
When his illness started, back when he started high school, the worst one was seeing him in a coma. And doctors telling me that, Mommy, you have to prepare for anything because we're not telling you Carl is going to make it, but we're just trying our best to see what we can do to save his life. And everything inside just fall apart.
She struggled to balance her child's chronic illness and the disappointment of not being a match.
We started a new dialysis, which is hemodialysis, and it seems to be a little bit more gentle on the body, and, he seems to can do more. He can be at school more. He can, more active. So it's not where we want to be, but it's a big step from where he was.
Carl has his eyes set on a medical career. And given his strong support system, hope and help are never far.
My friends, a lot of my friends, they were very encouraging. And my family, well, especially my friends, they were very, very, very encouraging. They helped me study.